I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin C serum with lemon. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 fresh lemon, about 2 tablespoons of distilled water, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. These components are key for a gentle yet effective serum. Remember to have a small, dark glass bottle ready for storage, as this helps protect the serum from light. Cleanliness is crucial, so ensure all your equipment is sterilized before you begin. Now let's prepare our main ingredient. Take 1/2 of a fresh lemon and carefully squeeze out its juice into a small bowl. To ensure a smooth serum, it's important to strain this fresh lemon juice through a very fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth. This step removes any pulp or seeds, giving you a clear liquid. Once strained, measure out exactly 1 tablespoon of this pure lemon juice. This precise measurement helps maintain the serum's balance and effectiveness for your skin. With your lemon juice ready, it's time to mix everything together. In a clean, small bowl, combine your 1 tablespoon of strained lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Next, carefully add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin acts as a humectant, helping to draw moisture into your skin. Gently stir all these ingredients together for about 30 seconds, ensuring they are thoroughly blended. This creates a consistent and stable serum for application. Once your serum is mixed, carefully pour it into your dark glass dropper bottle. This type of bottle is essential for protecting the delicate vitamin C from light exposure. For maximum freshness and potency, store your homemade serum in the refrigerator. It will remain effective for approximately 5 to 7 days. To use, apply just 2 or 3 drops to your clean face and neck each evening. Remember to perform a patch test first, as lemon can be potent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.